Welcome. In this meditation, we'll focus on quieting the inner critic, the voice inside that often holds you back, telling you that you're not good enough or capable. This is a common experience, especially in a world that constantly pushes us to be more, do more, and achieve more. Today, we'll explore how to transform these negative thoughts through breathing, reflection, and reframing, bringing more kindness and peace into our mindset. Let's begin. Now sit comfortably and gently close your eyes. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. We'll begin with some box breathing. Box breathing is a calming technique that reduces stress, increases focus, and promotes relaxation by activating the parasympathetic nervous system and clearing the mind. To box breathe, inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. And hold again for 4 seconds. Try this with me. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you box breathe on your own for 6 rounds. There is on-screen guides if you need help. Begin. Great work. Let your breath return to normal. Now, I want you to bring your awareness to that inner critic. It might say things like, "You're not good enough," or "You can't do this." Notice what your critic is telling you in this moment. Think for 2 minutes. What are common things it says? Begin. Think hard. What is your inner critic saying to you daily? Now, let's explore these thoughts. Ask yourself, why am I feeling this way? Is this thought based on facts or assumptions? What is the purpose of this thought? Is it trying to protect me, or is it just a habit? Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, gently let go of these critical thoughts. Let's reframe them in a way that serves you better. For example, instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," try saying, "I am doing my best, and that is enough." Instead of, "I can't do this," say, "I am capable of learning and growing, and mistakes are part of that process." Your turn. Reframe what your inner critic is telling you for 1 minute. Begin. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just negate the negativity. Let's take a moment now to affirm some positive beliefs. Repeat after me, either silently or out loud. I will say each one twice. I am worthy of love and acceptance. I am worthy of love and acceptance. I trust in my abilities and my growth. I trust in my abilities and my growth. I am enough just as I am. I am enough just as I am. I embrace my imperfections as part of my journey. I embrace my imperfections as part of my journey. I release the need for perfection and welcome self-compassion. I release the need for perfection and welcome self-compassion. Remember, the inner critic will always try to show up, but you have the power to quiet it and replace its voice with kindness. The more you practice, the quieter that voice will become. Eventually, you may not hear it at all. Take one final deep breath in and exhale slowly, letting go of any lingering self-doubt. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to your day with a renewed sense of calm and self-compassion.